This floor is going to be a herringbone pattern. It's the wood look plank tile, 6" by 24". So that's how the herringbone goes, and you know, it continues out this way. Then on the other side here, the tile will continue like that. Another long one off the corners. I checked the room, it's pretty square. So I'm going to cut off from here to here all the way around, give me a nice clean line up against the tub. This is the way she wants it pointing that way. It's going to be a radiator under there, so the piece doesn't matter. It's going to be a vanity over here, so the piece doesn't matter, and it's going to be behind the tub over there. So the focal area is going to be here in the doorway. So I'm going to cut these so I get a nice straight line, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so this is all cut in dry. I haven't cemented anything down. It's such a small bathroom. It's just going to make it easier to cement it down instead of trying to cut it as I'm cementing it. So I'm going to cut all these. I'm going to cement all these in, and then I'm going to continue the rest of the way. And I got them all numbered. I don't know if you can see that, so that I know exactly where they go. Okay, that's it. The only thing left is grout.